6 good habits that can change your life forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Up English. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm excited to share something that can truly transform your life. 6 simple but powerful habits that can change your life forever. Stick with me, because these habits could be the key to unlocking your fullest potential. Habit 1. Start your day early. Let's start with habit number 1. Start your day early. I know. Waking up early might sound challenging, but trust me, it's worth it. Imagine waking up before the chaos of the day begins. You have a few quiet moments for yourself, and that time can set the tone for your whole day. Research shows that early risers tend to be more productive and less stressed. Starting your day early helps you focus, gives you time for a morning routine, and most importantly, sets you up for success. So how about trying to wake up just 15 minutes earlier tomorrow? You'd be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Habit 2. Practice gratitude. Now, on to habit number 2. Practice gratitude. If you're not doing this already, it's time to start. Being thankful for what you have can shift your mindset and change the way you view the world. Take a moment each day to write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something simple, like a cup of coffee or a kind gesture from a friend. When you focus on the positives in your life, you attract more positivity. It's a simple yet powerful habit that can change your entire outlook on life.